The Kissimmee River once meandered for 103 miles through central Florida. Its floodplain stretched for miles. But serious flooding in 1947 prompted a decades-long effort to straighten the naturally slow-moving river into an efficient flood control canal. Today, the South Florida Water Management District and its partners are nearing the successful conclusion of another decades-long effort, restoring the river back to its natural state.
The Everglades begins in Shingle Creek, going through the Kissimmee Chain of Lakes, and goes through here, the Kissimmee River.
As a steward of the public investment in river restoration, U.S. Congressman Darren Soto recently visited the project to see the progress via kayak down the river. His mission began at the district's Riverwoods Field Lab, north of Lake Okeechobee and Lorida. The lab is a base of operations for scientists to study the impact of restoration. Scheduled for completion in 2020, flow will return to 44 miles of the river's historic channel, and about 40 square miles of river and floodplain ecosystem will be reclaimed.
We spent over $1 billion to restore the Kissimmee River after many years ago when a canal was built that really decimated it. And it's critical for habitat, it's critical for recreation and for our water supply, but also to clean the water going down through this notoriously windy river to go into Lake Okeechobee and ultimately out into the Everglades. And so it's critical that we protect this area, both for all the reasons I mentioned, but for future generations as well.
But the premise of this project is really twofold. It's getting the physical habitat restored, which is getting rid of C-38 Canal, and then back through backfilling, and then linking up the remnant river runs.
It was incredible. You know, you have to really be in proximity to a place to truly understand it. And we got to go through just a great stretch of the river that's just been restored over the last 6 to 8 months, and it's really rebounding. And so I'm looking forward to getting to tell my colleagues in Congress firsthand the good work that's being done here and how we need to protect it going forward. And I'm just very grateful to the South Florida Water Management District for helping us set this up today.